everybody. Hope everybody is safe and well. And okay, I've just finished the body unit for the Silver Bullet, and we are now going to be assembling back together. So I did some modification, custom works to the body. Added tabs here, all the small details, front here, the side here as well, and bottom part. So and then for this part I didn't add anything. Similarly here as well. I think that was it. Yeah, just the front piece, because yeah, sorry, on top here, the neck area, I added a few pieces to give more details. Okay, so now let's put it back together. Let's assemble it. Pretty small, since it's a HG, right? So there aren't a lot of details, and it's just a few parts, as you can see. Okay. So for this ring here, I didn't do reverse washing. I actually did masking and spray it. And put this. Okay. Oops, sorry. Should go in first. This will go in here. That's the hatch. So when you're assembling your kit, right, if you're doing pre-assembling, take note of your hatches. If you push it in before you started painting or anything like that, it's almost impossible to take it out. So whenever I'm assembling HG kits for the hatch, I'm always careful with this one. Okay. And we're done. Yeah, I think that's it. Oops, sorry. So it's upside down with these kits. Okay. And let's put the head together a bit and see how's the color. Okay. Originally this was in a lighter shade, so what I did was I clear coated it with deep clear blue to deepen the colors, darken the colors. So now at least it is not so like light tone. Okay. Yeah, I think we will consider this done. Yeah, and then we'll move on to the hands next. Okay, so take care guys, bye.